Nope. Okay. Good morning, everyone. It's 9:30. Today's date is Friday, August 20th of 2021. Now call order our workshop. First item we have on the workshop this morning is from the auditor.
Morning.
Morning.
I will have a couple of budget amendments, and they're to recognize revenue and expense for insurance recoveries for precinct 4 for his door repair. I'll have those, and then I am asking our next item is to amend the general accounting policy and procedures, and copies for everything. On this one, I'm just asking that, I handed Harold Ford, he didn't, and then hand them out, pass them out, like in school. Yeah.
That's why I live.
But all I'm doing is, on page 36 of my, general accounting policies and procedures, under personal vehicle, on number 2, it's mileage between cities, which is city to city, and I'm putting in city to city, as you can see there. Is computed utilizing the mileage calculator ran McNally's shortest distance found online at, and it gives which we've always done, because it is the least expensive, and it is the reimbursement that the county approves. So I'm just clarifying that in my policy. And then the other one is also the same thing, but it's in our county operating policy. And it's exactly the same thing. It's under personal vehicle. And but this one is on page 29 under personal vehicle, and it's item B. Mileage between cities, city to city is what I'm putting in, is computed utilizing the www.randmcnally.com shortest distance. So those are the things that I'm inserting
Okay.
in the policy.
Any questions of Melinda? If not, our next item is the treasurer report and other juvenile school. This is to place the panic alarms throughout those facilities. Got a proposal from we use for cameras and alarm systems and things like that for a total of $13,085. So we'll look at that on Monday.
And where does the money come from for that?
That's, I guess, what we'll need to look at them.
It's probably the courthouse security is where they'll come from, but I'll look at it.
Okay. All right. The next item for today is Phyllis Walk.
Listed out the 3 things.
Actually, she listed first the Historical Commission,
Okay.
and then she listed the Christmas decor and live Christmas tree together.
Okay,
All right.
perfect. Because I have Renata and Tori with me today because they're going to share some things. The first thing that we want to share with you is the Hale County Historical Commission. We have had some discussion throughout about a location for us to house the things that we do have that are currently at the museum. They asked the Hale County Historical Commission to move out a little over a year ago, and they're being very patient with us to do that. We need, one of the things that we need is a building that we can possibly get to after hours, because, we would probably like to have our meetings maybe at 5 o'clock. Right now they're at 3 because we're in in buildings. It needs to be a ground location if possible, because we have some elderly women. No elderly men yet, but we hope to have some elderly men, or with physical difficulties, walking and that kind of thing. I want to pass around the pictures of what we currently have at the museum. Pay somebody, because it is a bookcase and it is.
You know, we used to get a tremendous amount of help from inmates in prisons out here. Of course, COVID came along, and we haven't had them since, and don't look like we're gonna get them back anytime soon, so it's a problem for us. We're looking more and more at juvenile probation. I'm talking to Andrew Jackson over there, and he's expressed some interest in maybe being able to help us with some of our things at Dollar Violence Center.
Oh, yeah.
And I'm not sure, maybe, we could look at that down the line and see if he might be able to.
Yeah, and with the,